Hey guys, it's me Savannah, and it is time for Daily Dogs Vlogs. I have my great powerful puppy right here. Of course, if you haven't seen the first episode of Daily Dogs Vlogs, his name is Snowy. What are you looking at me for? Oh, punk. And right now he's not doing anything fun or great, so we're going to head over to the lounge room and do play with him. So yeah, I'll see you soon. Okay, and we're back with the dog and the ball, and every time we do this kind of stuff, things go weird. So sometimes funny things happen, like this. Let me just get the camera. Okay, sometimes when I get bored and the dog gets bored, I, Froggle, and patience, dog, patience. Ready, this is what happens. Move out the way, I was going to get hit in the face. Ow. Oh, good. No, it didn't hurt. And now I have to go chase him around the house. Oh. Thank you very much, Mr. Boy. He doesn't know how to catch the ball. See, he doesn't know how to catch the ball. He's afraid of the ball. He's afraid of the little ball. Ready? And catch it. Catch it. Yeah, he caught it. Oh, now I have to go chase him around the house again. Okay, we're back. And it took a while, to get the ball off him. He first got my shoe, and then I had to chuck it in the laundry, and then he got a different shoe, and then I had to go chase him around the house. So, instead of getting shoes, naughty boy, we had to play soccer with a tennis ball. So, let's begin. Snowy 2 bounces. 1, 2. Goal! No! No, it's not no! Come on. Give it back. Give it back. Handball. Oh, gotcha. I gotcha. Oh. Where is it? Go! So ready? Go get it. No, not again. We're already going to turn this air conditioner on. Again, I'll see you when we get back with the ball. Okay, so as soon as I press pause, this little nut appeared in the lounge room, but then I looked at the time and said that the time has ended for Daily Dogs Vlog. So see you in the next episode of Daily Dogs Vlog, and I will give you another video. Sorry if this is boring, but I'm not sure if it is, so see ya!